twilight. The future comes so clear to see. Oh yeah, you can see too if you opened up your eyes. We live for things we'll never keep. Oh yeah. Who knows if we can change our ways? Are we gonna be the ones to say just another day? Just another day. Tomorrow's road will soon be today's. It's only just a matter of time. Yeah. I'm just a traveler. I'm trying to change the world, but the world's changing me. I'm trying to be a light and give insight for those in need. But this travel is a battle and my candle's getting weak. What does it mean to be a traveler passing by? Try not to get attached to that which fades and dies. But I find my biggest enemy is my enemy. Cause if I had the earth and sky, I'd long for the sea. When will we see that? It's just a matter of focus. A rose bush full of thorns or a thorn bush full of roses. And when I told him, he turned and frowned. Said I believe what you're telling me, but just not now. Got friends and family calling me, can't let them down. So please